Wait, okay, so I just made my first soundboard sound. Can you just play it real quick, Contents? Oh no! What have I done? What have I done? Okay, there we go. The second soundboard. The second soundboard. Oh my god, dude. Here we go. Here we go.
Addy chill. 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 Addy chill.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, this one might be a little underwhelming. Here we go. Just uploaded it.
Addy chill.
Dude, this is chaos. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, this one is a classic. Okay, so okay. Can I just talk normally?
Never back down, never what? Never back down, never what?
I like that.
Never back, never back, never
Okay.
never back down, never what? Never back down, never what?
Bro, the mode is too much.
Never back down, never what?
Okay, this one might be a little far. Or no, this one's not far, but it's like it could get really annoying spamming this one. Alright, I just uploaded it. There we go.
Seconds later.
Bro. Okay. Oh my god, all that. Yo. Alright, that's good enough, I think. Okay, the new sound is out. Jesus Christ, calm down. Yo, shut up! I hate this. I hate this. Jesus Christ, dude. I hate this. Alright, I got one more sound. Let me get it. Okay, I guess I better do the outro before I release this sound effect, but if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys want to use these sound effects for yourself, join the If you guys enjoyed this video, you want to try out some of these sound effects, join the Discord server, link in the description below. Leave a comment down below what sound effect you guys want to see in the server. I'll change it every now and then, but hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and here's to the final sound effect. And yep, that's the build up. Here we go. Yep, there it is. Oh god, I should have never done this. Like and subscribe. Bye.